Hi guys, here we've got iPhone and let me show you how to send digital text message here. So at first you have to open messages, then just pick the contact to which you want to send this message to, and then click on this heart icon on black background, as this is for digital touch. Click here, then pick the color, and now you can write something here or draw something here. Let me just draw a heart. And now you can smoothly send it by tapping on send. So here it is, and you will be able to see how it is delivered. So just by tapping, you can receive this kind of message. You can obviously write there anything you want or draw, like it's up to you. So that's it. You can now send handwritten content to your friends. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.